Next, we want to decorate our trees. First of all, you're probably going to want to put some icing in the seams, particularly if you're using cutout cookies, not the 3D ones, but ones where you cut out different Christmas trees and then cut half of them in half. You're going to have a nice seam. This is nothing to hide, it's just another place to put icing. So to anchor your tree, you want to put a nice big dollop of icing down. Better to hold it with. You might need to hold it into place for a moment while the icing dries, or depending on your tree, you might be able to get it to hold steady going on a few corners. So in the meantime, we can add more icing to the seams. Like I said, any place that you can add snow and icing is always going to look nice. So if you want to put some snow around the edges of your tree, then that's going to look pretty nice. Let's get him situated there. You can also add some candies to the top of your trees. If you have very small candies, then you can add them to the branches. If you just have like gumdrops, you can always stick it on top. You want to treat your tree cookies like Christmas trees as well. Gain them as much decorating as you can. Now our icing is finally starting to hold, or maybe not. If you want to trim down the bottoms of your trees so they stand up a little bit better, then that's not a bad idea. Meantime, we will just be adding a little bit more icing. If you want to color your icing so that it's green, then that can also help for decorating your tree. And there we have our tree standing up right next to our house.